Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rosalynn Monique, and today I will be making a fried buffalo chicken tender sandwich. So stay tuned.
Okay, so as you can see, I'm starting out with 2 packs of chicken breast tenderloins, and I'm just going to go ahead and clean my chicken. Once your chicken is clean, you want to take 2 cups of buttermilk, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, and just use whichever kind you like, and 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. Now I'm just mixing all of this together in a bag because I'm just going to place my chicken inside of this Ziploc bag and put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours. But you can also use a bowl. All you're going to do is mix your buttermilk, your Cajun seasoning, and your hot sauce together, and then you're going to place your chicken inside of that mixture, cover with plastic wrap, and put it in the refrigerator overnight. Now, as you can see, I like to double my Ziploc bag just for security purposes.
Hours later.
Alright, so in my bowl, I have 2 tablespoons of poultry seasoning, 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, and I use the Slap Your Mama brand, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of accent, and a half teaspoon of celery salt. So now that I have all of my seasonings mixed together, I'm just going to set it aside. Okay, now in a bowl, I'm just going to mix together 2 cups of self-rising flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and the seasonings we mixed together earlier. And this is how it should look. Alright, so now you just want to take 3 tablespoons of the buttermilk mixture from our chicken and place it into our flour mixture and stir until little lumps are formed. As you can see, we have our little flour beads, and that is going to make a crispy crust. Now I'm just going to dredge each chicken breast into the flour mixture, and I'm going to be sure to press and pack the flour onto each breast. Now you want to shake off the excess flour and refrigerate the battered breast for 20 minutes. So I have my oil heating up, and once it gets heated, I am going to fry my chicken breast for 9 to 10 minutes or until it is done. Once you get the chicken breast out of the grease, you want to be sure to drain them on a paper towel. Then you want to allow the chicken to rest for 5 minutes, and then I'm just going to take a parchment paper lined cookie sheet, and then I'm going to assemble my buffalo chicken sandwich. I put 2 chicken tenders together, and I'm just going to place, you can place 1, but I placed 2 slices of provolone cheese on top of the chicken. Now I'm going to use brioche buns. You can also use potato buns as well, and we're just going to butter both sides and place in a skillet until brown. Okay, now I have this bold buffalo ranch sauce that I'm just going to place on each side of the bun. So this sauce just gives the sandwich its name, and also it gives it a little kick. Feel free to dress up your sandwich like you want it. I'm just going to add some lettuce, tomatoes, pickles. Now that my provolone cheese is melted on top of my chicken tenders, I'm just going to add it on top of the sandwich and we are done. How good does that look? Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified whenever I post another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!